When a client or customer sits in front of you with fatigue, gut issues, skin flare-ups, pain, hair loss, or concern inside your area of specialty, where do you start? Because let's be honest, most wellness professionals don't lack products. They don't lack protocols. They don't lack opinions. What they often lack is a reliable way to verify what matters first. Because symptoms can point in a lot of directions. Fatigue doesn't automatically mean adrenal or thyroid or gut. And the right product for the wrong priority is still the wrong direction. That's what this channel is about. Hi, I'm Janelle. After decades working in herbalism, clinical nutrition, wellness retail, energy work, and direct client situations, I kept seeing the same gap. Great tools, great products, great practitioners, but no reliable decision framework for where to start, what supports, what's interfering, and what actually fits that body together. That's why I created Simple Health Test Method. On this channel, we talk about body feedback tools, compatibility, wellness decision-making, testing reliability, what changes outcomes, and how to stop guessing when real people are counting on you. So if you use muscle testing, pendulums, intuition, body feedback, or make wellness recommendations of any kind, even pet wellness, you're in the right place. So subscribe. And if you want the fastest place to start, I created a short free training linked below that walks you through the one pre-check that most people skip before relying on any feedback. Because once that part is clear, everything becomes easier, results faster, and confusion drops. Stop guessing, start verifying.